Hello all dear students. Any graduate, maybe BE or BTech or BSc or BCom. Can a graduate wish, aspire, dream for a good placement? Dreaming a good placement, is it wrong? Mistake? Is it a sin? No, it is every graduate's basic right. In fact, everyone should wait, everyone should wish for such good placements. But if so, from tier 1 college, if I am pursuing, then I will be having some assurity that there will be a good placement. But can a tier 2, tier 3 undergoing students, can't they wish for a good placement? Why not? Definitely they can wish for the good placement. If so, how? How they can get good placement? I am Satya, welcoming you all for this wonderful session. In this session, I will be giving you the complete idea, the complete approach and the strategy how you people can get good placement pursuing from tier 2 or tier 3 college, whatever the graduation you are pursuing. So guys, let us get into the session. Amav, hi, hello, very good evening. Right, so guys, how you can get a good placement pursuing from tier 2 or tier 3 college? Firstly, if you are from tier 1, there will be some sort of assurity because of that brand, that institute brand. Obviously, some companies, good famous companies will come for the placement and automatically you will be having multiple opportunities. But when you are pursuing from tier 2 or tier 3 college, considerably, I am not degrading, but considerably, relatively, the number of opportunities that you may get, on campus placement that you may get, may be definitely less, right? Honestly speaking. But there are many situations or scenarios, many students who have pursued from tier 2 or tier 3 college and they got very good placements. Not only IITians or not only NITians, not only the students who are doing their graduation from university campus get good placements always. No, it is not like that. There are many proven case studies. So there will be a little challenge, but how to overcome that? Firstly, what is expected by the employer, dear friends? You tell me. What do they expect from you? Do they expect you to look handsome? Do they expect you to be good in your dressing? What they expect? They expect majorly knowledge. They expect you to be able to set in the environment. You have to be able to, you should be open for learning. You should have some leadership skills. You should have team working skills and you should have communication skills, right? So firstly, you should be having what? The knowledge. Knowledge on what? Undoubtedly, your academics are very, very important, dear friends. Do not ignore the academics. And when you are undergoing your academics, along with that, parallelly, you have to do your placement preparation. Sir, how I can do that, sir? In the academics, there are already many subjects, much work, labs, records, assignments, all that is there, sir. Of course, but please, you have to manage academics along with placement preparation. How? Because, see, prioritize coursework to maintain decent CGPA because though you are having the knowledge, nowadays there is, because of this huge competition, there is a filter of this CGPA. So you should definitely maintain a decent CGPA. 7 plus is I think enough for all PSUs, whatever may be. It may be central government, it may be state government, it may be IT sector, it may be banking sector. For all, 7 plus CGPA will be good enough. So try to maintain that and follow structured daily schedule, balancing academics and coding. Like in your academics, programming language will be a subject in every semester. So when you are preparing that programming language, prepare in such a way that you are not just attempting your end exam in the semester, but you are also learning it in such a way it helps for your placement. Like let us suppose you are learning C programming language. Just if you learn some popular programs, syntax, some definitions, that may be sufficient for your academics to get through. But for coding, practice is required. So start with small programs, whatever the programs that you may be undergone in the labs, in your practicals, and from that you slowly start coding for different kind of problems. Maybe in your academics, binary to decimal or decimal to octal, like this 1 or 2 conversion programs could be there as part of the syllabus. You do them, along with that you try other number conversion programs also. It is helping you in both, isn't it? Similarly, whatever the program you are preparing, like you are preparing, let us say, some program with pointers and arrays. You try using that particular concept for all the other known programs, like how you can add just 2 numbers with pointers, how you can find the biggest of n numbers using pointers, how you can find the average or mean of the given numbers using pointers. Try to do matrix programs with pointers and arrays. Like this, whatever the basic programs you are solving or doing, try to apply different other elements also. Try to do it in different ways. So every day you prepare a schedule in such a way that at least half an hour, 1 hour, you are giving time for coding practice. Why? Because as we are all from this CS umbrella, maybe DA, maybe machine learning, maybe artificial intelligence, maybe cloud computing, maybe CS, maybe IT. It all comes under the same umbrella. Guys, we cannot escape from coding, right? So every day you allocate half an hour time also at least for self-coding practice. Okay? And utilize weekends and breaks for intensive preparation. In the weekends or in your semester holidays or in the public holidays, you can spend little more time and focus on project-based learning along with academics and job skills. Just you learn programming languages, that may not be sufficient. You might also need to develop a project, understand that particular total package, how to start with project development, what are different phases, how or what skills are needed. So better to have some idea, and from first year you can start small, at least known projects you can start. Maybe kind of library management application, employee management application. Nowadays IoT is there, Internet of Things. You can just try learning that IoT basics and you can start coding with that, developing small applications. Okay, first develop some interest, dear friends. Okay, if you yourself are lazy, if you yourself are not interested, then how you expect a good placement comes on its own for you, right? If someone is getting succeeded means behind that success lot of hard work could have been there. You are seeing someone is getting succeeded, simply enjoying some luxury life, name, fame and everything. Don't think it came in the overnight. Behind that, lot of sleepless days could be there, lot of hard work could be there. So if you sincerely hope something, definitely it happens, provided you give your sincere efforts to that. Trust me, it will. So all these slide, what conclusion is, I can say in simple statement, be strategic, be goal oriented, have some plan, don't prepare randomly, have some plan, okay? And while you do that, definitely there will be distractions. Try to reduce. I can't use the term avoid because that is not possible at this academics age, but at least try to be cautious what you are doing, how it is affecting you. So try to avoid unnecessary distractions, okay? And if you are unable to understand how to do some things, take proper guidance from your professors, from your teachers, and try to always maintain a circle who are like-minded. This is very important. Your peers also should be like-minded. Otherwise, when you are studying, they are enjoying, slowly you will also lose the interest. You will also go into that enjoyment. Okay, I don't say enjoying is bad, but balance. That balance should be maintained always. Then nothing is bad. Okay, and you have to definitely be strong at all fundamental concepts of computer science, like programming languages. Fine, any two you pick. You can't be master in all programming languages. At least try to pick any two programming languages. Try to explore, try to practice as much as possible. And OOPS concepts are definitely important. So do some practice on them. Data structures, algorithms. So if you just count all together, guys, it will not be more than 10 programming languages, data structures, algorithms, DBMS, operating systems, computer networks, and this internet programming or web technologies. So if you just keep a count, how many you should be ready with? Not more than 10. In your 4 years of span, can't you be good at just 8 to 10 subjects? Prioritize. Just think once. These 8 to 10 subjects is what employers expect from you. No one will ask all academic subjects proficiency from you. Okay? So realize that. Every semester you plan in such a way, I will be preparing 1 or 2 subjects which actually help me in my career, which build my career. The other subjects, fine, you are doing some balanced preparation. I know some graduates will be doing the preparation just few days, they will just start few days before the exam, and there are some students who do overnight preparations. Okay, I don't want to give any comment on that, but at least take 1 or 2 subjects serious, because they will help for your career, they will build your career. And make it as a habit. Refer standard books, because this is a very good habit. When you try to refer different books, you will be getting this exploration. You will get different dimensions on every concept. So you need not to do separate research, just try to refer. There is one concept, let us suppose exception handling. So how I handle the exception in Java, in Python? Is there any way, or is there any difference? What are different exceptions? So you try to refer 2 different books. When you do that comparative study, you will be able to remember easily. Are you getting, guys? And implement projects using fundamental CS principles. As I said, start with basic simple projects. Okay. And yes, as I said, data structures and algorithms, this will be the backbone subject for all placements nowadays. So try to do, at least if not in first year, at least from your second year, third sem onwards, get registered yourself on online coding platforms. There are many, I need not to name, there are many. Just if you Google, you will get many. So on some coding platform, you can stick to some coding platform. Most popularly followed is this. If not this, you can choose any other also, that is okay. Okay. And cover all major topics like arrays, strings, stack, heap, graphs, dynamic programming. And this I don't say you stick to this number. As per your ability, you start. You start first. Forget about this count. You start. How many are possible with you? Do, but give the try consistently. So automatically this number increases. Okay. Arnav, sir, I am a core branch student at Tier 3 Government University. Okay. The problem is that I am not able to choose the right domain for me in the IT sector. Amav, first you should know what are your skills and interests. Okay. If you don't have interest, you choose some XYZ domain. Without interest, definitely you can't shine. So first understand the interest. Second, you understand the growth. Okay. In which domain there is much growth. And you try to understand the packages also. Okay, let me be honest. You may be interested with certain domain, but the salaries are very less. If you feel it is enough for me, I will be peaceful, I will be happy, then go for it. No, you are looking for decent packages also, then definitely you should filter based on that. So interest, your career growth, this package, and opportunities. Competition. So many factors are there, you should mind. Keeping all these factors, if you just start filtering, finally you yourself understand, okay, this is the right platform or right domain for me, so let me start working on it. Then you can learn the skills, develop your skills based on that. Okay. Yeah. And participate on the coding contest. May not be very, as and when you begin coding, you need not to participate. At least for a semester or for some months you were doing practice. Initially just for the knowledge, You can participate, you can register and participate. You will get to know what kind of problems they are asking, what is that, what the nature of the exam, what is the pattern of the exam, how much time, what kind of competition you face. At least you will get that knowledge, no? Slowly you yourself understand, if I need to shine in these competitions, here I should stress, here I should work on, right? So start doing this participation in the coding contest and understand problem solving patterns, not just solutions. This is very important. If you just see the problem solution, problem solution, problem solution, that problem may not come for you. Try to understand the approach of solution, not the solution. How that solution we are doing, what is the approach? That particular problem is based on what design paradigm? Because algorithm design techniques we have like dynamic programming, greedy, backtracking, divide and conquer, branch and bound. What kind of technique should be used for what kind of problem? Try to understand that. When you get that essence, automatically you will start working, automatically you will be able to identify where this particular problem fit into, then you will be able to solve it. So guys, all together I want to say start coding. Now you may be surprised or you may be having this doubt, sir, we are not able to do. Don't worry guys, we physics wala, gate wala will be always with you. Very soon you will have a very big announcement, very useful announcement that helps for your placements. Soon it happens. So just stay tuned. You will get a big announcement just in few days that will give you a real confidence, that will give you this comfort level for this coding and placements. Okay? Sir, is it feasible for me to go for AI ML along with my mechanical domain? Now, AI ML is not actually restricted for computer science. Try to understand this. AI is what basic, in that ML, DS, these all will come. So it is basically the technology. You can use this technology for different diversified products, diversified domains. So being a mechanical engineer, definitely you can go for it. But make sure you are getting those fundamental concepts, AI, like different learnings, supervised, unsupervised learning, or when I say ML, those algorithms, the terminology, are you able to catch up or not? So you should be comfortable, right? So make sure, check yourself, are you comfortable with that or not? Okay? And yes, competitive programming for fast thinking. Of course, as I said, start doing, get registered yourself in the competitive coding platforms. There are so many online platforms. You can start with simple basic level problems, slowly easy to moderate, moderate to hard. Like that, you just start and do consistent effort, automatically you will shine, guys. Developing real world projects. As I said, from second year onwards, you can start project oriented approach while you learn. Okay, work on the academic projects. You need not to get or focus on the projects which are outside. At least start with academic projects. Keep yourself completely involved in that academic project. Don't say, I have done only this module or that module. Try to involve in all the modules. Try to understand the complete, from starting till ending, what are the phases, what are the dots, what are the challenges, what are different roles involved in the project development. Like that, have that complete idea on the project development. And if you are interested, there will be some open source projects. You can get registered yourself in the GitHub, LinkedIn. You can actually contribute for them, then automatically your network grows. So you should be also interested or focus on this internships and fellowships or freelancing. So you can apply for remote and startup internships. For that you can use the platforms. If you are unaware, you can use these platforms like Internshala, AngelList, Upwork. Just if you Google, you will get different platforms. So you can just match yourself, what is the requirement and what is your skill. You can match and you can apply for the internships. Okay. And try to build this network of industry professionals or where we can meet. I already told some platforms like this, and in the competitive coding platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, LeetCode, CodeForces, recruiters, employers will have access to your profiles from those platforms, GitHub, LinkedIn. So you should actually do work in all these areas. Yes, once you are ready, first get your resume ready. One page structured resume, because you are at a student level. Try to keep everything crisp and clear in your resume, and you keep it updated always. In that resume, highlight the projects that you have done or internships and competitive programming achievements, any competitions you have attended, or in the competitive programming platforms you might have secured some ranks, right? So try to highlight them, and you can use keywords to match job descriptions. Okay, this is not actually you need to do now. First focus on the preparation. Once you are in your final year, then you can start exploring what is the current trend, what kind of jobs currently there in the market, what are the skills they are expecting. Like that you can just work on them. This may be applicable for the one who are in the final year, but the other, you can first work on the preparation, building your skills, and be updated, regularly update your LinkedIn and get recommendations. Be active. Active doesn't mean you should be always stick to that. At least you can enable the notifications. Try to follow the relevant LinkedIn profiles, relevant LinkedIn groups. Then automatically your visibility, your profile visibility will increase. Okay. Yeah, off-campus opportunities. Being from Tier 2, Tier 3 colleges, I understand placements will happen for the namesake. Company names also will be big, but they may not be IT, maybe some call center, non-IT jobs there may be, but colleges will claim, just publicize themselves with that company name. They will not reveal the job description. I understand. But if any CMM level 3 companies or startup companies also may come for your college, don't leave such opportunities. And if you properly focus on the internships, in that company itself you may be placed after your graduation. So don't leave these internships, don't take these as light. Okay, focus on it. And yes, again the same, you be active, try to explore as much as you can these platforms. Apply to startups and product based companies. Yes, send cold emails to hiring managers with your portfolio. This is all again of course done. So as much as the community you grow for yourself, those many vacancies, those many opportunities you will get. So build the strong LinkedIn profile, improve your comm skills, be active in the GitHub, LinkedIn, social networking platforms and online coding platforms. Okay, try to attend these conferences, webinars and hackathons. You should be active. You should be active. Okay, if you yourself feel lazy, then it would be difficult, dear friends. Okay, so yeah, cracking technical and HR interviews. For this also you should be prepared. Again, this may be applicable for third year and final year students. You can start working on it once you are in your sixth sem onwards. You can start working on it. So practice mock interviews with peers or platforms like Parakram. Just amongst your friends, you can do this practice of interviews, rehearsal, right? You can do that just amongst your friends. That's why I always say this. Have a friends circle which are like-minded. That is very important. Okay? So show confidence, communication skills and problem solving mindset, then you are done. So guys, I want to tell you, your college is not an obstacle for you to grow. You may be from tier 2 or tier 3 or from any other basic remote organization, remote institute also. Fine. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, is he from IITs and IISc? Is he from the premier institute? Still, he is a scientist. Became very, very successful. Right? And many IT giants, you can name any, they are not from premier institutes. So your institute is not an obstacle for you. You can be an obstacle for you if you don't think to grow. If you don't work for your growth, you become an obstacle for yourself. So don't blame your organization. We have no right to blame, because it is our fault, because we have not started thinking early. Till final year 8th sem also I have not developed any skill, no knowledge growth, no skill growth. Still I blame my organization, my institute. Arey, this institute, I am from this remote college, that's why I am not getting placed. No. Nowadays it is complete online. The remote organization, remote institute student has the equal opportunity as the student who is pursuing from premier institute. Okay. So you have to be ready. Opportunities will always be there. Okay, for some time, though you feel like it's a dry situation in the market, but they will come up. By the time they come, opportunity may come suddenly, but you should be always ready. So that is what I want to tell. Have a plan, be sincere, be disciplined, try to balance everything. I am not telling you don't enjoy, you don't spend time with friends. No, no, no. You watch movies, listen to music, spend time with friends, go to family functions, attend. But along with all that, you should balance your studies. You should balance your development in the career. So work in that direction, definitely success would be yours. I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and listening to me patiently till the end. Hope this session helped you a lot. See you in the next session. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Jai Hind.